Guys, in today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to run TikTok ads. So if you're a business person or you just want to increase your following on TikTok, this video is for you. So basically, the past few years, TikTok has been doing so well as a social media platform, and it's just like a very good place to like place your services or your products. So in this video, like I said earlier, I'm going to be teaching you how to run TikTok ads. So when you get here on TikTok, you get to your profile, then you're going to click on this three menu bar here at your top right hand side. So I'm just going to click on it, and you're going to be seeing TikTok Studio. You're going to be seeing business sheets, my QR code, settings, and privacy. So I'm just going to go ahead to click on TikTok Studio here, and it's going to take you here. The next thing I'm going to be doing is to scroll. When you scroll, you're going to click on promote here. So I'm just going to click on that, click on promote, and it's going to load. Then here we are. So we're basically going to choose your objective for running your TikTok ad. What that's like, why are you running a TikTok ad? Do you want to like boost your account? Do you want to get more sales for your product or service? Do you want to get leads? So I'm just going to take you guys through what all of this mean. So for your boost account, you can get more views by using an ad that's going to boost your account. You can get more views, you can get more following, and you can get more profile views. Okay, so for the next one, which is to get sales, you just like it's going to send traffic to your website. Your website, it can be a WordPress or site, it could be your WhatsApp. You understand, right? So the next one is your to get leads, and this is basically what I'm going to be using to like do this teaching or this tutorial rather. So to get leads, is basically your objective is to get more messages or to get more phone calls. So basically, if you want to send messages, traffic to maybe your WhatsApp, your Telegram, anywhere you want to get messages from, or even here on TikTok, on your TikTok inbox, you're gonna like get messages. You're gonna get messages. People are gonna um send you messages, okay? And that's how you're going to promote your service or your product. So when you do that, when you choose your objective, the next thing you're going to scroll, and this section where it says select, this area where it says select your content, this is where you're basically going to be choosing the video you want to promote. So basically, before you start promoting um your content, like before you start running this TikTok ads, you should have a video already uploaded. Yeah, so you're gonna click on this arrow sign here. You're gonna click on this arrow sign here, and you're gonna choose the particular video you want to promote, the one that you want to show as ad. So you're just gonna pick any of your videos here. So basically, this particular TikTok page is a hair TikTok page. So I'm just, let's say I want to promote something here. I'm just gonna click on promote, and that content you choose in promoting, that's what's gonna be here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead to like change all this custom promotion. I'm gonna change it. Here it's showing 16 to 372 clicks, so it depends on your budget. This is gonna change. Okay, so I'm gonna come here. Is in default. Your audience is in default, and I will advise you to keep it in default, except you want to like a very specific target audience. You can change it. Let's do custom, and you can change like the location, the interest, their ages, right? So do you want all both male and female, or do you want female or male? So I'm just gonna go with all gender. From my age range, I'm gonna go for like 18 to 24. Then the interest, I'm gonna go with personal beauty and personal care. I'm gonna go with um parent and accessories. I'm gonna go with travel. So basically, get the gist of it, right? So you don't pick the interest of what service or what service or products you're gonna be like offering. So basically, this is for the like business side of TikTok ads, promoting your products or service. So basically, if you just want to uh boost your TikTok account, you can also choose the kind of people that you want to reach. People like the kind of people that you want to get as followers, right? So after that, I'm gonna click on save. So my this is my audience. It is in custom. So for the budget, you can um change the budget here. I can change it to like 1,000 naira per day. And the good thing here is that you can fund this account with your naira um card, so you don't have to like use any cheaper cash or all that and go through all that stress. You can basically use your naira account. I'm just going to click on confirm. So I want to be spending 1,000 naira per day for this ad. So how long or what's the duration? You want it to run for a day, 2 days or more? So you're just going to like drag this, and that's how it works. So let's just keep it at 2 days. That like I want to spend 2K for this ad. So you can also like click on this, choose a promotion pack. It's going to be showing like a range of budgets and the duration, right? I'm not going to click on it. So yeah, as you can see here, it has 493 clicks in one day for just 1,000 naira. That's the ad is going to run for a day for 1,000 naira, but it's going to give you around 4 to 93 clicks, video clicks. Okay, so for 2,000 naira, it's going to be running for a day for 8 to 186 clicks. For 7,000 naira 900 is gonna run for a day for 33 737 clicks. So basically you get it. You can just customize it like I did. Okay, then we can also like preview the ad. What is it gonna look like? So I'm just gonna click on preview here. So basically this is what the ad is gonna look like. So if someone wants to like send a message to get your product or service, they're gonna click on this red or pink bar here that says send message. Basically works like that. Okay, now let's go back. So time to like reset up the ad. How do you fund this ad? So basically I need about 120 coins to fund this ad. So I'm just gonna go ahead to click on recharge. And since I need about, since I am doing 1,000 naira for 2 days, that is I need like 2,000 naira, right? That's 2,000 naira. So I'm just gonna look here and get um I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna go with 350 coins to fund. I'm gonna be funding my account with 350 coins basically. So for 5 coins it's just 120 naira. For 70 coins we have 1,600 naira. For 350 coins we have 8,100 naira. Okay, so that's how it works. So basically choose the number of coins and the amount of money that suits your budget, and go ahead to I'll click on recharge. I'm just going to click on recharge here. So submitting the order. So this is where it gets interesting. So basically this is where you make payments. So you can make payments if you have your card connected to your Google Play store, your Google Play, right? So if you like ever made subscriptions on Google, they will ask you for a card, and this is mine here. This is my Visa card. So basically, if you've not ever added a card to your Google, you have to do so before like going further to run your Facebook ads. Okay, so you just click on this here, and this is my Verve. This is Google, so you can just add yours. Um, if you don't have any here, you can go ahead to just click on add credit or debit card. So since I do, I'm just going to leave it at that. So but if you don't have sorry, but if you don't have any card, go ahead to add credit or debit card. But if you do, go ahead to make the payments. So click on when you're done, you're going to click on tab by. That's you funded the accounts and you've made budget of like running this ad, so the ad is going to go immediately under review. So I'm not ready to run this ad yet. I'm just like showing you guys the process of running TikTok ads. So that's it. Basically, this is how you run Facebook. Did I just say Facebook? This is how you run TikTok ads. Very simple, very straightforward. You can use your Naira card, basically Mastercard or Visa card. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm sure for Visa and Mastercard from any bank, be it First Bank, United, UBA, anything, even your OPay and all that. So far, you have the card, it can work for your TikTok ads. So guys, this is how you run your TikTok ads, and you don't have to sleep on this, especially as it's still like really cheap. Yes, it's still like really cheap and it's gonna convert. So try it out for your service, for your products, or your reach on social media. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for reaching the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave any comments if you have any question. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.